Remove tubing from the pump and press OK for self-test. Now machine is ready to use. Connect the diaphragm. Match this to this. Over the wheel and this is the notch. This goes to the glycine fluid outlet. This goes to the patient. This is a fuse holder. This is service port. If anything happens to the machine, we can analyze the malfunctioning through this port. Now after self-test is over, you will be presented two program selection. One is hysteroscopy, one is laparoscopy irrigation. So now let us go through the hysteroscopy function. When you press hysteroscopy, program name will be displayed here, date of the procedure and the current timing will be displayed. And this is a temperature display in degree Celsius, which is inside the machine. Now on screen there are several parameters. One is set pressure in mmHg, and this is an actual intrauterine pressure. This will vary, this will be a set pressure. This will give you a real time data here in figures. Now this is flow. This is set volume. How much flow you want? 500 milliliter per minute, 400 liters per milliliter per minute, 300. Thus this way it will go up to 1000. The maximum settable limit in pressure is 200. This window here shows approximate volume. This window actually shows what is the real time liquid going inside the uterine. User has this facility to select sheath size or a scope size, which is 4 mm or 2.9 mm. When you select this, you are actually informing the machine that the diameter of the scope or sheath used is 2.9 mm. So machine accordingly select the program inside and behave in that manner. So this is intelligent programming, we can say. It helps machine to give you accurate results all the time. This screen will come. Now you select the desired scope size, whether you will be using a 2.9 mm scope or a 4 mm scope. Now I selected 4 mm. Now I will do a priming function, which is necessary to remove bubbles from the tubing. So now look at the once some liquid passes through the tube, I am satisfied that there is no bubble inside. Now I can stop. Now my priming is done. Now I will start using the machine directly. Now consider this case is over. We have paused this case. Now can you appreciate the time here? There is a little stop time showing 3 minutes 53 seconds. This timing is showing the actual time when the pump motor was running, the wheel was moving. This time is given here. Okay. Now since my case is over, I will end the procedure now. When I end the procedure, 3 different readings are shown here. One is approx surgery volume, approx primed volume, and approx total volume. Means suppose this is prime volume. This volume is actually the one which has been used to remove the bubbles or remove the airs from the tube. So this volume is also given. Now this is actually used inside the uterus. So we have to add both and this shows a total volume used from the bottle. Okay, so we are giving it approximate. Why this data is important? Because you can cross check it with your data. You can cross check it with the nurse who is taking all the details on the whiteboard. You can cross check and you can calculate the deficit amount of the volume used. So that deficit amount is very important parameter to know what is the fluid absorption happened in the case. Flush the tube before completely removing it from the machine. Now all the liquid is been removed, and then you can exit to the home button. Now I am going to show you what is the second program means. Let's go to the laparoscopy. This is a dedicated program for laparoscopy irrigation. In this, you can select pressure 200, 300, 400. This is actually a controlled irrigation. In many times you have seen in other machines when the doctor is trying to flush the liquid inside, he want to irrigate. He has to go for a foot switch and it operates from foot switch. Like on and off, he continuously use the foot switch there. But in our machines, we have given a controlled irrigation. Now I am in laparoscopy irrigation mode. This is a controlled irrigation mode, what we say, because we can control the irrigation with the lure lock on and off. There is no need to use foot switch to stop or start the flow of the irrigation. So you have to, in this, you have to just select the pressure, flow. Say I'm selecting 600, and I can just start the irrigation in laparoscopy. And whenever I want to stop the irrigation, I will just bend this to show you how the machine stops. Now let's start this. So now it is continuously giving me laparoscopic irrigation. Now my irrigation is over. Suppose I am closing the cannula. The machine is stopped. Now my work is done. Again I am doing some surgery. Again I want to give a flush inside. Again I will open the lure lock. Machine will start. So if you see, there is no involvement of any foot switch. It is absolutely giving you a control irrigation on whenever you want it, on your demand. Now whenever irrigation is over, you just stop it. Now how much fluid has went inside the abdomen? So it is mentioned here, approximate volume. So right now it is showing that I have used 398 milliliter. Now once this case is done, I'll simply go to the. Now let me tell you what are the safety features inside our machine. So let's go to hysteroscopy. So let us say that if I'm using this machine and it has crossed 1000 ml. Once it reaches to 1000 ml, it will give you a beep alarm. Again, every 1000 it will keep on repeating. Small things can avoid a fluid overload during the procedure. Now let's wait for the 1000 ml and how the beep alarm comes. The moment it reaches to 1000, it will give you a beep. See, have you observed? There are two small beeps continuously. Like that, there is another alarm system. Like every 20 minutes, machine will give you beep. This is to make doctor aware that 20 minutes has passed. So please be on alert. Now there is another alarm. Safety alarm we can say, or error you can say, that whenever there is an accidental occlusion anything happened to the tube, anything obstructed, the machine will give you alarm. Let's begin the flow. See, system is so intelligent that if I slowly occlude it, it will not give you alarm. It will just simply stop. But when occlusion comes, when there is sudden stoppage of inflow, we'll create that situation now. See, that was a occlusion detected.